Welcome back to another YouTube video for our next VHS opening. When it comes to the holiday season, there is one thing that a lot of us like to hang out with other than family, friends, and cousins, etc. And that is our pets. Whether it be a cat, a parrot, or a lovable dog, there's nothing like spending the holidays with your furry friends. But if you had to choose one fictional furry character that would love to spend Christmas with you, then look no further to one of the most legendary characters created by the late Norma Burtwell. It's our good friend Clifford the Big Red Dog. In his 2003 video, King Clifford from Scholastic Home Entertainment and Artisan Home Entertainment. King Clifford was a classic that I watched many times, on the 2003-2008 re-release DVD of Be My Big Red Valentine. Alright, here's the tape printed on the 48th week of 2003. So let's be like kings and queens with everybody's favorite big red dog and play the tape.
Hi, my name is Emily Elizabeth, and this is Clifford, my big red dog.
Clifford needed Emily, so she chose him for her own. And her love made Clifford grow so big that the Howards had to leave their home. Clifford's the best friend anyone can know. He's the greatest dog ever, I really think so. Clifford's so loyal, he's there when you call. I love Clifford, the big red dog. So they packed up a family car, and the Howards left the city. They moved to Birdwell Island and their many new friends, there to greet Clifford and Emily. Clifford's so much fun, he's a friend to us all. I love Clifford, the big red dog.
Clifford the Pirate King.
All right, you two, open your eyes.
What is it, Clifford? What's the surprise?
Is it an ocean liner?
No. Is it a ball?
Alright folks, that wraps up the 2003 VHS opening to Clifford the Big Red Dog, King Clifford. If you enjoy, subscribe and follow me on my other social media platforms. And I'll see you in the next video.